Need a blender that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Let's see what the Ninja Blast portable blender offers for your on-the-go blending needs. The Ninja Blast is a compact, cordless blender designed for those who need blending capabilities wherever they go. Its 18-ounce capacity is ideal for single servings of smoothies, protein shakes, or even salad dressings. The integrated sip lid and carry handle make it convenient to blend and drink from the same vessel without the need for additional containers. Powered by a USB-C rechargeable battery, the Ninja Blast delivers up to 15 blend cycles on a single charge, making it perfect for travel, gym sessions, or office use. The stainless steel blast blade assembly is capable of handling frozen fruits and ice, though it's best to use smaller pieces for optimal performance. The ribbed design of the blending vessel creates a vortex that helps pull ingredients down toward the blades, ensuring a smoother blend. Cleaning is straightforward. Add water and a drop of dish soap, then run a 30-second blend cycle. Alternatively, the lid and vessel are dishwasher safe for added convenience. If you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy blending!